welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're gonna unwrap my new michaelkors bag. So this bag, my friend of my friend go to Germany, so we just asked a favor if she could buy us a michaelkors bag there, because here in Denmark the michaelkors bag is so expensive. So in Germany the price there is lesser, so that's why we just asked her a favor. So also I don't have a money here because I don't have any work yet, so I asked a favor for my husband and then he say yes. So I'm a spoiled wife. So thank you, my love, for this wonderful michaelkors, for buying me this one. So here, this is the paper bag of the michaelkors. And then now what we're gonna do is we will unwrap it. Since I got this one, I never open or take it from the plastic yet. So I get it this one last Sunday, and then now it's Thursday, and this is the first time that I'm gonna open this bag. So let's take it out. So this one is here, and then this is the receipt from michaelkors. So just don't ask how much is the price, guys. So yeah, we'll just take this out, or maybe this one. Let's get the plastic. Let's put it in the paper bag. Ta-da! It's a sachet. I don't know if I pronounce it right. And this one is a michaelkors sachet bag. So I think this is small. I think so. Small or medium, I don't know. I can't. So this is the brand michaelkors, and it's gonna take this out. Oh, it's also a sling bag. You can put sling in here, or else you'll do like that. It's like a madam, hey madam. So here, this is the back. There's no compartment in this part, so let's try to look it inside. So here there's also a still a wrap, so let's take it out, because yeah, we will use this one tomorrow, I think. So in the zipper lock there's still a brand name. Put the brand name. Let's take it out. Also here, oh, I don't have any scissors, so maybe later. So let's take this out. Here, this cover plastic. Here again. So this is the sling. Oh, okay. So there's still a nylon. I really don't have. Ow! It's crazy, right? I didn't use scissor in this one. So this for the sling. So let's just don't mind that one. Paper again. Also the price here and the tag. What's this? Brown acorn MD TZ Satchel. I don't know if I pronounce it right. Comment down below if I pronounce it right, everyone. So here, this is the first michaelkors that I buy. And then the first michaelkors that I have in my other video, it's a gift from my beloved ate, or beloved friend. I called her ate because she's older than me, so just to have some respect from your older. So that's why I call her ate. So here there's a 2 compartment inside. So now I'm starting to collect bags, and then I also have some other bags, but it's not like very branded. But it's a German brand also. It's a Deichmann, or I buy it from Deichmann, and then the brand is Catwalk. I don't know if you're familiar with that brand. So yeah, that's I have some of those brand or a bag brand, and then I'm also collecting some sneaker, shoes, and sandals, and also some dresses and jumpsuit. So that's it. So we already unwrapped my Michael Kors bag. So if you like my video, everyone, please click thumbs up. And then if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button, and also click the bell notifications so that you will be notified for my next video. So bye everyone. Mwah. See you for my next vlog.